Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, with the US returning after being absent on Monday in observance of Labour Day, the US dollar increased strength and therefore sent the Aussie lower and now crushing the support level of 72.25. We have seen in the intraday session today attempts towards this level after posting a high of 72.29 but failed at this point. It is assessed now the close under 72.25 has given further depth to the downside and look towards a target of 71.3045, where I do anticipate short-term demand to return. When we look at the RSI and the MACD with the last three digits underneath the zero axis, and also married of course to the RSI, has given us some further confirmation to the bearish case, and therefore looks to that view. Any advances should find resistance now around 72.4045. We haven't quite broke the level of 117.50, even though there was support at 75, but not quite crushing the support line at this stage, even though we have seen a low of 56 today. I do anticipate with the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, and with the euro weighted at 57.6, is that we will see further weakness once we witness a close underneath New York at 117.50, with the MACD and also the RSI been pretty much negative for some time now, purely to the MACD that is, but it cut the zero axis, can give us a depth towards 117 to 116 and maybe even to 115.5. Take these levels in its stride, and also remember to your risk management to continue to lower your stop losses and also adjust your take profits just in case we get any kind of adjustment to the US dollar in terms of reversal. But at this stage, overall, since the posted shooting star and the confirmation of the break, that we should continue to see a weaker euro and a bullish US dollar. When we look at the dollar yen, a sideways pattern now into the 7th or 8th trading day since this bearish outside range. I still hold the view to the downside. You can see the technicals are somewhat breaking down, with the RSI mainly, and the MACD is not quite confirmed the break of the zero axis. Nevertheless, we are just about breaking this level of 105.90, and a close under there in New York would give further interest towards 105 region. With the sterling breaking down, and also the fact is that we've crushed the level of 132.70, now opens the way down towards 127 region. And let's see if the market finds any support there, or will it continue on. But overall, the immediate target's at 130. Sterling yen, well, the market plummeted on the back of the sterling leg and reaches its target of 138, and now looking closer to 137. We are getting a little bit oversold, so we might find support around 136.5, but overall there is still a little bit left to the downside. Not quite breaking underneath this level of 1,926, with a New York close above there once again. Even though we've seen many stabs underneath this level, technically it's still not supporting any bullish case. So I still hold the view down towards 1,900 or around 1,880 and reassess from there. Wrapping up with oil, well, the markets continue to sell, and it plummeted 8% last night, or close to that. And you can see now, as long as we maintain above the $36 region, then I'm quite comfortable to say that we should see a rebound. We're getting awfully oversold, but the trend is still there. Let's see if the market can stage a defense from 36 and stage a rebound. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. Hope you enjoy a great start to this day.